Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review video on USB switch selector for 4 PCs sharing 3 USB devices. So that is this thing right here. So that thing is right there. Sorry about the lighting. The lighting's not very good. And right now it's on number 1, so this is a button you press to switch. So if I press it again, it will go to number 2. If I press it again, it will go to 3. If I press it again, it will go to 4. So this is connected to my HDMI switch, which I'm able to connect 3 devices to 3 computers. So I have 3 computers connected to this HDMI switch. So 2 computers here, this computer, and also this Raspberry Pi. They're all connected to that, and they're also connected to that USB switch selector. And 3 computers are sharing 3 USB devices. So USB keyboard, USB mouse, and USB gamepad, which is right there. So I'm gonna switch to my just right now I'm on my PC, Windows-based PC, and I'm gonna switch to my Raspberry Pi. So that's on number 3. So you could use a remote control for this. I'm gonna press that, and now switch to the Raspberry Pi. And I also have to go to number 3 because that's where my Raspberry Pi is at. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm able to use my USB controller to go into my Raspberry Pi with the Retropie operating system. So I'm going to go back to my PC. I'm going to shut this down and go back to my PC. So if I shut this down, it will automatically go back to my PC, as you can see. So no HDMI signal. It doesn't do it automatically. Well, wait a minute. No, it doesn't. So I have to press number 1 to go back to my PC. Now I'm back to my PC. I gotta go back to so on number 3 I gotta go back to number 1. Press the switch again. So now it's on 4. Press it again, and now it's back to number 1, and I'm able to use my PC's mouse, keyboard, and gamepad. So I made a video about the HDMI switch, the 3-in-1 HDMI switch. Let me get a focus on that. Earlier video. I will leave the links for that in the video description. And underneath I have another switch. This is for a 2-port, so I'm sharing this with 2 computers, which are my 2 desktop computers. I'm just using it to share USB flash drives and stuff like that. So that device is, let me go back. Let me show you. that device is that device, the one that's underneath it, and you could share 2 computers. You could share USB. You could share 4 USB devices with 2 PCs, as you can see. That's what I have underneath. So both of them are being used, and that one right there is being used. That is connected to my USB printer, and also my USB scanner, and my USB flash drive. So that's being shared with 2 PCs. And the one I showed you earlier, the 4-port version, is being used to share my mouse, keyboard, and gamepad with 3 computers. So that's how I set it up. I'll leave all the links in the video descriptions on where you could buy all the stuff, and I'll also leave the links for the previous videos that I made about those other 2 USB switches, for the 4 computer one and 2 computer one, and also the HDMI switch as well. So I'll leave all that in the video descriptions, the end screens, and pretty much that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Ace 1000 1975. I mean Ace 1000 KS 1975 signing out.